Hey, we got another person. Mustang guy, go! This is why I want to be in the middle, so let's figure this out.
Alright, I'll show the enthusiasm.
Let's go.
What's up, guys? We're out here. The first meet and drift slash track slash autocross slash
Car meet slash, yeah,
motorcycle meet right there.
yeah, those two motorcycles. So we're out here at Mineral Wells Airport. We're having fun.
We got the Miata, we got the Jeep, we got the Montero, the R3, I forgot what that was. We got the Jetta, we got the S2000, and this thing. This thing is sketchy. This whole setup is sketchy as hell. Ian, let's hear about it.
We turned my fuel light on. So I put half a tank before I came out here, and I just got in. It's already out of fuel, but it's a rig of its own.
Yeah.
You think we can do a live stream out here?
Yeah, we're gonna do the live stream. We have this whole airstrip, 54 acres of tarmac to ourselves for the entire day. I almost went through a whole set of tires. Not even, look at my tire, dude. Check this shit out. Look at this tire. That one's bad. Look at this one. This is after 3 laps. Look at this. That's like a drag slick right there. What's up?
How far can we go to up there?
We're gonna have like a meeting, like go over that. But like as long as you get like a spotter, you're good. So as I was saying, this tire is leaking. Like I don't know if you can hear that on the camera. It's literally leaking air as I'm talking. So I think we need to go shut this up.
I think we just need to do a burnout until it pops.
Burnout until it pops? I just gave a safety speech. You want me to fucking do a burnout until it pops?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty easy. You did say you're just going to drive it until it blows, so.
I agree with Zach on this one.
Hey, we still got one more tire. Keep going. Yeah, that's gone.
Oh my god.
Holy shit, that's bad.
Yeah.
Dude, that was loud.
Dude, that's fucking.
That was badass.
This is a good fucking sign.
Why they wanna put a date on me? I notice how much that they hate on me. Smoke a little nigga, no residue. Give me the credit where credit due. You'll never be able to do what I do, and you'll never be able to do what I do. Bitch, I'm the boss, good. You an associate. Pull up to your spot, I air this bitch out and anyone close to it. If that ain't the message, I do you like Gucci, I take out the messengers. So bag 'em up, bag 'em up, bag 'em up, bag 'em up. I'm sending back your messengers. Now that I'm moving, I notice I'm more and more of a target. Hop in the truck, they do me like Jay. Over my head is now an open target. So to my mama and to my kids, I'm working.
It's overheating.
There we go. Hell yeah.
A little bit too much there. Second. than the last one.
Oh, there you go.
Alright, let's give her a break. Good girl. Good girl. I'm proud of you. You gave me some good times. We fucking destroyed my only vehicle. Not meant to do this, but I took the beating like a champ.
That's awesome, man. Thank you.
Thanks for riding along.
Yeah, dude, that was awesome.
That was awesome, dude.
Dude, that was
Thanks.
great.
That was fun. Yeah, the last pass was a little bit better. No, I mean, not this, the one before last.
Tires are broken. Let's get her, Skeeter. Woohoo!
Right off the bat.
Shit.
That's bad. Oh, shit. You know what? I'm just restarting. That was so shitty.
Now we go.
That was too aggressive of a clutch kick there. Got the cone for once. Hold on. I took a cone. There's so much rubber on my car. Holy fuck.
You killed it!
Give it back. Give it.
He saved it.
Dude, this has to have a fucking LSD because like it drifts really good for an open diff.
Yeah.
Oh fuck!
Oh my god!
Dude,
you came so close!
oh my god. Dude, see, keep it on there the whole drift. Yes! Alright, now we're taking the Jetta. Oh, there's shirts here.
Gabe, don't hit your head against mine, because
That would suck.
I'm gone.
That would suck. Autocrossing this or e-braking it?
Yes.
Yes? All of the above.
So much traction. Just gonna send it. Oh! That's good.
Hey Zach, we're gonna do a run past you with all 4 windows down, blasting some shitty music. You ready?
Hey, low pump's not shitty.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Hey!
Joker!
Don't ever say that again.
Like, what's an advertisement?
They're great. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci.
Yeah, they're playing Gucci Gang.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
Alright, so I don't even know his name, but he's letting me take his Mustang for a rip, so let's do it.
His name's Jay, by the way, and he is currently right there.
How's it look,
You
guys?
like it?
Looks pretty good.
This thing's fucking sweet.
How's the look?
Can I hop in the back?
Yeah, I don't care.
I got you. Oh, I say you know how to operate this. I don't.
that sounds so
we're gonna
good.
show how legit this is, because got the bottle.
Alright. What's your name, dude?
You.
Gabriel, nice to meet you.
I'm Joe.
Joe, right on.
Dude, this is making my day right now.
Are you part of Novice?
Yeah.
He is novice. I'm just the camera guy.
Oh, right on.
Fuck, of course the GoPro died.
It's okay, we
God
got this
damn it.
one.
In the arms of the angel.
Alright, here we go. I'm gonna give her a shot. I'm not trying to destroy your friend's tires though.
Alright, he's out there doing the same.
Oh, that's awesome! Oh shit. Look, it's that spot right there. So wet. Oh my god.
What do you think?
Dude, I like it. It just sounds like it should. Like not.
What have you done? Now he wants one.
They're fun. What do you think? It's almost as loud as the Miata.
So, can we pop the hood on it real quick?
That's the check engine code.
Knock combustion vibration sensor. I don't know if you guys can see that. So if you give it a little bit of gas. Oh, dude.
It's done.
It's done. Dude, Ian sent it too hard, man. I feel so bad for you.
Alright, time for a Corvette, right, Brendan?
How long have you had it?
Not long enough.
Yeah, I know. At least we have the trailer though.
Fuck yeah.
What's up with this angle?
To get it on.
That's so bad. Alright, so at this point all of our cameras are pretty much dead, and I figured we add this little clip in there to kind of end the video, but you want to talk a second about the S2000? Because it was kind of like an abrupt ending right there.
I know. So basically we didn't get on camera, but I went for a couple of runs and it spun out and kept spinning, so I was like, you know what, I'll just give it some gas. Give it a little bit too much gas, and then drove it back. It felt like something was wrong. Turned it on again, and then it was knocking, so it's not a good sign.
It's probably worth noting that we discovered the oil filter was actually leaking oil at a pretty big rate.
Yeah.
Like,
so before we went out there, it was, I don't know how to describe it. It was like it wasn't a quarter drop size, probably like 3 times that size, so it wasn't too bad. Just had a little bit of oil like once a week and it was fine. But when I went on a couple of runs and then went 2 or 3 times around, it started leaking really bad. So I didn't notice that until the end. We pulled it back in, it was leaking a lot of oil. It was all the pretty colors on the ground.
So now the S2000's done, what are you thinking?
I have no idea.
What are you thinking from here?
I don't know. I was pretty inspired by the drift truck.
The drift truck?
So, yeah. The diesel drift truck is pretty inspiring. Yeah. So I don't know if I want to do that. Probably not going to drop like 10 grand to build the motor, because that's the only other real option you have is either do that or get rid of it. So
yeah,
I don't know. Pretty torn on it, so I don't know which way I want to go yet 100%, but probably not going to spend 10 grand on it.
Quick side note, the guy that was drifting the F350, that was like the coolest thing ever, by the way. I was like, that was so fun to watch. He was actually out there, he's a photographer, he took pictures of the entire event. Go check out his Instagram, I'm put it right there, under my finger, right there. Go check him out, he does really good photos, and he took like a bunch of photos of the event, probably like 50, and put them on Instagram. So But yeah, so shout out to, I think his name is Edward. Thank you, Edward, for taking all those pictures and coming out. And thank you to everybody for coming out. We, for being the first event and it being a rainy day, I think it turned out pretty good.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, a good side about the rain is you went through tires not even as close as much as if it was dry.
Yep.
Like, well, you went through, when it was dry, you went through a set in, I don't even know, like not even 5 minutes. It started raining, and then one set lasted you like, I don't even know, like an hour almost. So that was one upside to it. So it was a lot cheaper.
The rain made a huge difference.
Yeah.
It really did.
Yeah.
We want to do more of these. The whole, like, the ultimate goal would be like once a month, but we'll have to think about it. So we got a lot of positive feedback. But again, guys, thank you all for the support, for coming out. It was great fun, and we'll see y'all next time. I have no idea what the next video is going to be, but it'll be something good. So see you guys later. Peace out.